Hi, in this lesson, you're going to be learning to play the A major scale on the violin in just one octave. The A major scale has the notes A, so you place your first finger on the G string, then you have B, you have C sharp, you have D, you have E, F sharp, G sharp, and then open A. Likewise, when you are descending, you have your open A, you have your G sharp, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, and A. So that's your A major scale in just one octave. In solfa notation or solfege, you have your A as do, then your B as re, then your mi, your fa, your sol, your la, your ti, and then do, open A. Likewise, when you are descending, you have your open A as your higher do, then your third finger on the D string as ti, and la, sol, your fa, your mi, your re, and your first finger on the G string as do, your lowest do. So that's the A major scale in just one octave. I'll play that now. So that's your A major scale in just one octave on the violin. If you have any question or comment, do well to drop it in the comment section below and I'll be sure to respond to them promptly. Keep practicing and we'll see you in the next video.